Hi, good day everyone. I am Dr. Kavita Ravichandran going to speak about innovations in bread. What are the basic ingredients in manufacturing of bread? The four basic ingredients are flour, yeast, water and salt. Actually this forms like a pillar where all the other ingredients can be added, and this forms a base actually, and all the other optional ingredients can be added to this. The quality of the raw materials plays a very vital role in deciding whether you are getting an excellent bread or a poor quality bread. And also it's very essential to know about the individual functions of the ingredients so that whether it can be part of the innovation and how we can innovate a new product. Coming back to other grains into the bread making process, which are other grains which can be used in there? Like any grains, like ancient grains, and also teff we can talk about quinoa, we can talk about oats, we can talk about all the millets as such. Any millets can be incorporated in the bread. And what about the quality of the final product? Definitely the quality of the final product, especially the texture of the crumb texture, crust color and also the volume will have drastic effect when you add some other non-glutinous flour into the wheat flour. But this can be compensated by adding other ingredients in the formula. And next to this, when we talk about other breads, such as now the main topic is vegans, they are going for gluten-free bread, and then other bread is allergen-free bread, which is an emerging topic now, which is going on in research, and diet breads which are low or no salt and sugar. And then we can say about a low carbohydrate bread where the carbohydrate is reduced up to 20 to 30% than the usual bread, and also to increase the protein content in the final bread. So all these are on hot topic now. So the main aim of the innovations is to also to increase the nutritive value and to add variation to the existing product. And the new trend is incorporating the age-old ancient grains into the bread making process. Frozen dough and partly baked bread, which can be made by large scale manufacturers and can reach the customers, and they can bake the bread on their own at their possible time. And secondly, sourdough bread, which has been very traditionally used method. Now the sourdough is again researched for further increase the crumb firmness and to increase the volume of the bread. Next comes the fortification of bread. Bread is fortified, that is not a new concept, but other things like prebiotics, probiotics and the other nutraceuticals can be used in fortifying the bread, and this can be a vehicle for this. And further, what are about the packaging part of the bread? The packages used for the bread can be made from a biodegradable, from bio waste such as sugar cane, and the intelligent packaging can also be used for the consumers to know the shelf life of the bread and the freshness of the bread. Thank you.